Hi friends, now today we are starting the Make Your Child Memory Master. So this is a part one. We'll be doing more videos on this topic. So I start with some question and answers. So the first question is like, thanks for the story method to remember GK questions. My child is able to memorize and recall the stories and answers, but he is unable to do on his own. The parents' worry was like he was able to memorize the question answers to the questions, but the thing is like he wants him to learn on his own. So then another question was asked by a professor that she studies a lot and she also encourages her child. She's not like other parents, those who don't study and force their child, but she was telling those she was following, but the child was not studying. So for these two questions we are going to have one answer. So here, number one thing is we have to understand a child. How to understand a child is, so this is about the academics and studies. At which level he is. So we have to know the levels of learners, different levels. There are 5 levels: L1, L2, L3, L4, and L5. We'll see that. Then when you know he's, let us assume he's at L2, then you have to take to L3, next L4, next L5. Like that, we have to make him ultimately the master. Okay, this is the 3 steps way. First we have to understand it, he is at which level. Next, support him to go to the next level. Now there are different levels of learner. First one is baby, and the last one is the master. Baby means who depends on others. So the baby means who depends on others. For example, to learn for apple apple, they should know alphabets. Teacher has to start from ABC. It is not directly apple apple, or going to sentences and directly lessons. To start reading lessons you have to start from the alphabets, and then words, then sentences, then like that. So baby level means they need the support and they are not yet masters. Once they master the skill, then that is called employee. That means they know the skill, but to use it, to study, they need some gifts or chocolates or whatever it is. So they need some motivation. What I want to say is they need a motivation. Okay. And next is businessman. That means they are good at skill and they can do on its own. So that comes the next level. The first question was asked, how to make his child to the level of the businessman. See, the businessman will have employees under him and he'll manage the employees. Then the employees who know the skills, they'll use it. Next is, after businessman, it's not so required, but I'll give you a short overview of it. Now, for example, a child knows, he learnt a lesson, he's good at it. Now, even though sometimes he won't be able to teach to others, if he's able to teach to others, that is like a service comes under like doctors, lawyers. Okay, doctors, lawyers, etc. What they do is they'll help others to solve their problems. So now if the child is able to teach others, he'll be in this level. The next level is, even he'll have that much knowledge that if some teacher asks question, teacher doesn't know, like he might have done studied a lot of books and he's having his own theories, like a PhD guy. Okay, in this video we'll only see this baby, employee, and businessman. Next, so first thing is identifying him at which level he is. So the story method, we just started a story new method to a child. He will be definitely at baby level. So here you can see here baby level. Then for him to practice, we have to encourage him, support him, then only he'll be enter into the business level. That means he likes the story and he will use it whenever it is required. So we have to support him till the businessman level. See, the solution is then how to make the baby to the next level is sit beside to him and make him learn, encourage him. Like I know a child who was third class and he was studying in Delhi. He likes to read many books and he got a collection of books. I asked his parents how come he is able to read at the early age. Then the parents said like the teacher sits beside to him and then make him to study. Usually what happens, one teacher, then there will be 40 students, there will be no focus. So here the method is sit beside to him. I can give another example. For example, you are learning driving a bike newly, like you don't know how to drive, then you need somebody support. Somebody has to sit backside and guide. which direction or how to control brake, clutch, etc. So like that, and you be the inspiration to the child. Like for example, in your work, how you are using that method, how you are solving your problems, how you are able to now memorize more things. So you be the inspiration to your child. So the child thinks that, oh, my father, my mother, they are using it, so I can also use. So here I took one example like how parents can help their child. Memory is like a muscle, just like a body, like it's a mental one. The more you use it, more memorizing capacity increases. See, like for example, you're going for a shop to all these things: milk, red chili powder, pen, jaggery, salt, etc. So you teach him story method and how to connect the stories. So as we already discussed in the previous video, but I'll do a small revision. Story method means two words we take and we'll make a silly and exaggerated story so that mind can memorize it very very easily. Okay, see here, if the child knows A for apple, B for ball, C for cock, or C for cat, dog, E for elephant, or egg, fish, if they should know only like 26 alphabets, they can memorize 26 items. That is very very easy. See, milk and apple, you have to make a story. For example, when they remember like A for apple, then apple, and you have to connect it into milk. Apple, okay, we brought apple, then we cut it, and there are so many milk packets are coming out. Even our neighbors are coming and taking. Unlimited milk packets are coming from a single apple. This is silly and exaggerated, but it helps enhances our memory power. Then ball, and you have to connect it to red chili powder. Cock and pen, like dog and jaggery. So you have to make different stories, so the child will be able to memorize easily. Then after like 1 week or 10 days, you encourage him to make a stories. You support him so that he'll be able to do it very very easily. Okay, for example, I'll take another example. Last one, you take fish and idli rava is there. Okay, you just take fish. So think that your wife, she made fish idlis. It was like circular shape and it was like idli. So which is, how can there be a fish idli? So which is impossible, but exaggeration makes you to memorize easily. And then next, so to take him to the next level, you have to give him some gifts. It is required. So because we cannot make the child, we cannot make him so serious. It is very much required. In future, it is good for you. I'm telling you for you. So it doesn't work because he doesn't understand all those things. So give him, you go with his method. Give him some gifts. Mainly, games and toys are the best. So don't give him like food items, because no child likes food. They like play. Even food is not there, they like to play. So play is more important. So this way you can make the baby to employ. That means he doesn't know that method, now he'll be able to use that method. With some motivation or gift, something like, he'll be able to do it. The motivation to a child is not to speak, no speeches, like don't give him big lectures, give some gifts, they will start doing it. In the upcoming videos, we'll do how to make him to the next level, that is employee to businessman and then to master. Okay, if you have any queries, please ask, comment, then I'll definitely make a video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe and share. Yes, again I am saying, if you have any queries, yeah, please let me know, I'll make a video. So please start making your children memory masters. Thank you.